Here we are using the integers. There are a lot of integers we are using. I thought there are total number of 14 digital pins are there. So I'll not use digital pin number 0 and 1. Apart from that, I'll use all the digital pins, and let's make a simple LED pattern. Now what we have to do, you can see that in the starting we just created the integers. Name of the integer is starting from A to L, and I have assigned the values to them. So don't be confused what are those values. These values are nothing but that are your digital pin numbers. The digital pin numbers are starting from 0 to pin number 13. So that are nothing but that are just the digital pin numbers. Now what I'll write serial dot begin 960. Okay, now what we have to do here, we just have to write pin mode. So there are many ways to write the pin mode. So here you can do one thing, you can just write a comma output, then pin mode b comma output. That is one way. Another way is that you can use a simple for loop. For integer I is used, for integer z is equals to 2 to z is less than equals to 13 comma z plus plus. Now here you have to write pin mode z comma output. That's it. We wrote the pin mode of all the LEDs. Now what we have to do here, we just have to write the code inside the void loop. So inside the void loop also I'll write the for loop for x equal to, sorry, for integer x equal to 2, x is less than equal to 13 comma x plus plus. So we are just writing the for loop. Now digital write x comma 1. I want to give a of delay of 100, and digital write x comma 0 semicolon delay of 100 millisecond. That's it. So what we did, basically it's a for loop, and what will happen, the LEDs will turn on turn off sequentially. So let's see what is happening. We'll do some more changes also, you don't have to worry about it, but I'm just excited to see the changes after doing the code. So whatever the code we wrote, after that let's see the output based on this particular code. What is the output we are getting? So let's see that. Okay, let's do a little bit of changes here. I'll just change the value of delay, let's make it 10 millisecond, and let's see the pattern. I think the pattern will move little fastly, so let's upload the code. Okay, so the code is uploaded. Okay, let's add little more code and let's see what is happening after writing this code. For integer x, no, I'll write k equal to 13 and k is greater than equal to 2, k minus minus. So this time the values are decreasing. I'll just copy paste the same thing, control C, control V. Let's change the value of variable to and upload the code. One curly bracket is extra. I'm very excited for it that what will happen. Let's see. There will be slightly change in the pattern. Okay, so the code is uploaded. Now let's see what is the pattern we are getting. Okay, let's try some other pattern. So I'm just trying something new. Let's see this will happen or not. So k equals to, I'll write a comma, k equals to 13 and x comma k is greater than equals to 2 comma k minus minus. And one more thing we have to do. How many LEDs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 number of LEDs. So this should go to 7 and this should go from 8, sorry, 8. And let's upload the code. So sorry. There is something mistake. X plus plus. Wait. One more thing I have to write digital write x k comma 1 and here I'll just give a delay of 100. Here also I'll write key delay of 100 millisecond digital write a comma 0. That's it. Let's upload the code. Let's see the output, how it is working. I am pretty excited for the output. It seems pretty well. From both of the end, the LEDs are coming, the pattern is moving, and it is meeting at the center. Let's try something different also. I do have another idea.